Out here, you claim your territory. You define the boundaries. You preserve the landscape. With strength, agility, and the ability to adapt to an ever-changing environment. With SwiftWall temporary walls and modular panel systems, you define your territory. SwiftWall systems have revolutionized the creation, division, and transformation of space. They are simple and easy to install, installed in hours versus days, reconfigurable and reusable, lightweight yet sturdy and strong, completely customizable by adding doors, windows, or graphics. SwiftWall systems are used in a variety of applications: airports, retail, healthcare, entertainment, and office space. Anywhere a barrier is required, SwiftWall panel systems can be used. Our experienced team of relentless innovators are ready to engineer a solution that solves whatever challenge you may be facing, from the design phase through project completion. Sustainable, simple, fast, clean. With SwiftWall, you define your territory.